Hey guys, so today is April 20, 2024 and it's currently 5:20 a.m. And as you can see, I bought some Jollibee and ayan, nasa biyahe na ako papuntang UST. Today is Saturday and ayan, by 6:20 a.m. nasa UST na ako. Sobrang bilis ng biyahe that day. And this is the main building. And ayan, bago mag 7 a.m. yung call time namin, nahanap ko na yung bus. And ayan, nasa biyahe na ako and umaandar na yung bus papuntang Samal, Bataan. And here's a video of me. This is what I look and this is my uniform. And yeah, I'm annoying my friend, my NSTP friend. His name is Jonas. So ayan, today is our NSTP day and pupunta kami sa Samal, Bataan, Palili Elementary School to do our field work. And ayan, tawang-tawa ko. And this is the view, sobrang ganda papunta dun sa Samal, Bataan. Like, ayan. And ayan, I think mga 9 a.m. nandun na kami sa school. So, this is our NSTP facilitator. Oh my God. So, yeah, and this is the kids. So, yan yung mga tuturuan namin. So, ayan. And yung mga kids, so, okay lang naman sila and sobrang dami namin. And ayan, nag-start na kami. So yan, after mag-prepare, ito na. And here is a clip of me na nagtuturo ako. So ayan, yung NSTP ko is teaching and ang tinuturo namin that day is about newspaper, news, facts, fact information, the importance of news, everything about it. And yeah, tapos na ako magturo that time. So yeah, nagtuturo na sila ng mathematics. Naka-assign ako sa English because I'm good with English and I'm not good with mathematics. So ayan. And by this time, ayan, binibigay na nila yung mga test paper dahil meron kaming mga activities na prepare for them. So ayan, we also have this little gift for them. So giveaway. And ayan, yung katabi kong bata, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako sa kanya. Tinuturuan ko siya. And ang dami niya nakuhang candy at taas na siya ng taas ng kamay nung tinabihan ko siya. And ayan, by this time, we're preparing for their lunch. So, nag-prepare kami ng food for them. And we have pancit, we have sandwich, we have juices. We also gave them giveaways and candies every time na nakakasagot sila. And ayan, ang sarap ng juice na yan. And ayan, by that time, tapos na lahat na activities, tapos na kaming magturo, tapos na mag-lunch. So, we're taking some pictures. And by this time, sobrang sad. Uwi na kami. And this is our NSTP facilitator. So, tinuturo niya yung mga past NSTP fieldworks, yung mga nangyari doon and everything. It's such an accomplishment for us. And ayan, pauwi na kami from Palili Elementary School, Samal, Bataan. It was a fun experience talaga as in. And here I am eating my late lunch and on the way home.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much it means to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around.